Coming up on Commodore News, we'll take a look at the holiday door decorating contest and treat you to the sounds of Maury's music program. Commodore News is on. Welcome to Commodore News for Thursday, December 20th. I'm Keaton Brown. The excitement at Maury is in the air as this last day before winter break. On Tuesday, Clarence Rupert scored 20 points and Matt Menzia added 15 as the Commodore boys basketball team held off a challenge from Norview 59-54. The girls fell to the Pilots at 48-15. Janine Foreman scored 12 in a losing cause. On Wednesday, the boys and girls swimming teams scored an impressive win over Lake Taylor. Kobe Wynn, Sean Roca, and Blake Johnson won multiple events for the Commodores. In wrestling, the Commodores hosted Booker T, but they dropped their match to the Bookers 54-24. Now here's Quante Bristow in the control room with what's on top for the Commodores.
Thanks, Keaton. Today, the boys and the girls basketball team will be in action. The girls play at Kempsville High at 5:30. The boys will host at Princess Anne here at Memorial. Game is at 6 o'clock. Over the holiday, the schedule winds down a bit, but the JV boys basketball team will take on Dayton Henry at Boo Williams Sportsplex on Wednesday, December 26th. Game is at 6:30. Be sure to support the Commodores. Have a great holiday. Back to you, Keith.
Thanks, Quante. Recently, the class of 2021 sponsored a holiday door decorating contest. Teachers paid $5 to enter their class door into the contest. Now here's Jordan Rose with more.
The holiday season is here, without a doubt. Always be happy and try not to pout. The doors of Maury are decorated beautifully, from Santa to the Grinch. Teachers entered a friendly competition for the best door. Although every single door looks fantastic, there can only be one winner. As we walk through the halls, holiday cheer is high. Oh, look, there are the judges strolling on by. The judges are here to cast their vote. Writing it down and taking notes. For Commodore News, I'm Jordan Rose, and have a happy holiday.
Now here's what's happening at MHS. for this broadcast of Commodore News. We leave you with the sounds of the Maury Chamber Orchestra and the combined Maury Chorus with the Hallelujah Chorus. For everyone here at Commodore News, we hope you all have a wonderful holiday break.
Hallelujah.